Tired of the solid Caro-Kann? Crush it with the Panov.
In the world of chess, some openings are built for safety, others are built for war. White starts with pawn to e4, claiming space. Black answers with pawn to c6, the Caro-Kann Defense, a declaration of stability. But the piece doesn't last. White's pawn moves to d4, seizing the center. Black immediately challenges that dominance with pawn to d5. Tension mounts until the center evaporates. White's pawn captures on d5, and Black's pawn recaptures. The lines are open. The board is a blank canvas. Now, White plays the move that changes everything, pawn to c4. This is the Panov Attack. Notice the shift in the atmosphere. White is offering a strategic trade-off. By playing this move, White accepts the isolated queen pawn, a lone soldier on d4 that cannot be defended by other pawns. It is a target. It is a weakness. But in exchange, White gains a highway for their pieces and a terrifying initiative. Black ignores the bait for now, developing the knight to f6. This is the most accurate response, controlling the vital d5 and e4 squares. White continues the pressure by bringing the knight to c3, eyeing the center like a predator. Black responds with the subtle but powerful pawn to e6. Look at Black's position. A solid triangle of pawns has formed. Black is ready to weather the storm, finish development, and wait for the endgame where White's isolated pawn might finally fall. This is the Panov Attack, a high-stakes gamble where White plays for the checkmate and Black plays for the long-term win. Who will survive the middle game? Only the strongest will prevail.